I just got a call. I just got a text message from Gilly the Kid. I told him to tell me when he pull up. This video today, we gonna be putting these filters. It's like a fuck, I can't remember what the fuck it's called. I can't remember what they called, but it's these filters that go in between these one-way check valves. That's what they call it. These one-way check valves that we go put in between his lines, because you know he got a conventional motor, so it's kind of he don't know how his car gonna start up whenever he goes somewhere and he get back in his car to fucking leave. So I'm gonna show y'all what we about to do to his car. He'll be pulling up in a minute. I tell him to tell me like a couple minutes before he pull up, but he sent me some middle finger emojis. So I'm waiting for him to pull up, but we gonna see if we can't fix this problem today. And it's free game for those who don't know about these little check valves, because I actually put, even though I got fuel injection, I still put a couple of them on, because even with fuel injection, the gas will not stay up in the carburetor. That's the reason why it's electric. So you'll have to let the fuel pump prime. But I put the check valve in between it, and I still gotta let it prime a little bit, but it's not as bad as it was before I put the check valves on. So I would usually have to turn my key over or push my button 2 times before it would start up, and now it start up on a dime. I just let it prime for like a couple seconds and then let the key cycle and I'm good. But let me show y'all what this is, and we can go from there. And then we'll wait till he pull up, and then we go put actually put 2 on here. One towards the front of the carburetor and one towards the back of the tank. So that way it'll keep fuel in the line always. So it won't take as much time for his car to start up and he won't be having to constantly hit the gas. So I'm about to show y'all what he's doing, and wait till he get here, and then we can start. There's always a retarded nigga out here, fucking waking up the block, Gilly the Kid. Gilly the Kid.
Who are you, bro? Yeah, you. Who are you, bro? Yeah.
I'm Gil.
You Gil.
Hey, slide it up a little bit.
Hopefully it starts.
You see what I'm saying? We're gonna see if we can't fix that today. This nigga here. Huh? Yeah. Man, I gotta get one of these. I gotta get one.
See, my boy wanted one of these so bad, I gotta come and tease a nigga.
What's up, man?
Oh, shit.
Man, what took you so long to get over here?
Bro, I had to go home. I had to take a shit.
Man. This dude here.
You ain't gotta be a street nigga to be a real nigga. You ain't gotta lie in your songs and say you kill niggas. I ain't tryna hear all that fake shit, I don't feel niggas. That's your big homie, why you always with the lil niggas? I don't understand, I probably never will. Haven't signed a deal, I probably never will. Tell your nigga chill, he aggressive off them pills. Help them get addicted, but won't help that nigga heal. Hanging out with rats and wanna kill them when they squeal.
Okay, so what we pretty much doing is I done already cut the line, and I got one right here, and we go see how this one act. I'm gonna put this back up, and then everything's tightened up. You kind of want to put it in between so that way it's not too far up to where the gas is seeping back in the carburetor and going back. And then we got this right here in the middle, and then we're just gonna see what it do. And then if it's acting good and we need another one, we go put another one towards the back. But 9 times out of 10, we probably put another one towards the back anyways. But yeah, we getting it together. Getting it together. My nigga got his T-tops off. But yeah, other than that, man, let's get it and see what it's gonna do. And I'll get back. You know, you ain't gonna have no gas in there. Just let it run for a little bit. What? Watch what? Just checking, making sure we don't got no leaks. Let it run for a little bit. Let it run for a little bit, turn it off, start it back up. So we gonna cycle through it a couple times just to make sure everything is flowing like it's supposed to. Okay, turn it off. Cycle it back on. Okay, now just turn it off and we're gonna let it sit for a little bit. We're gonna let it sit for a little bit. You said what, like 10-15 minutes? Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna let it sit for like 10-15 minutes. And then we're gonna cycle it back on and see what we get.
15 minutes later.
At least my e-brake works. And look, you've been doing it with the 3 like this?
Yeah. Now that you do it, yeah. I didn't even know that at first. It was a lot smoother too. That might be it. You can just hold on to that other one just in case, but I doubt it because I only got one on mine.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I think that might be it.
Boy, that shit'll be so good if that shit worked out.
Yeah, it's right there, just in case. But yeah, I think that might be it because it's gonna keep that fuel from going back down, and you know, it's on a downstream anyways. So once the gas shoot it up in there, once you turn it off, all it do is just because it ain't got nothing to stop it. So that's actually stopping it, and gas is sitting here now.
Nice.
It's sitting on the downstream, so that way it don't give you that hard ass start. I guarantee you it won't give you no problems like how it did the other day.
I need that shit.
Hey, I think that's it. You stupid. This nigga. Yeah, just let me know. Yeah, I think we fixed the issue. That motherfucker start up on the dime now. Gotta give me one. Better believe it. When I say I'm getting one, I'm gonna get it.
My baby bitch just cut me out.